Security in Anambra have break my home and scatter my windows. A man lament in a short video I'm going to play here. Welcome back to Balabas G's, my people. As you have known, the way we dey do am na sharp sharp, no dey waste time. If today na face the way they come across this wonderful channel, ebe na-ekwu eziokwu, where we talk through. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow us and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for quick updates as well over there. They say one man for Anambra security don't enter the man house, scatter everything where the man get, shoot and leave some pieces of bullet for ground as well. They say because of this thing happened because of the man did not pay security 500 naira security levy. And there's some other lady there as well who confirmed that they took 5,000 naira to bail her as they arrested the lady as well because they did not pay for security levy. This is happening in Anambra State. So we are going to play the video for you to watch. Then we'll come back and analyze the video more better like the way we do. Stay tuned and watch the video.
People into my brother's house. They spoil his net. They shot gun. This is the bullet. How about ever? No one. Look at his house. They spoiled his net. Look at his net. They broke the net, spoiled him, spoiled the net, then took him away because of 500 naira security levy. And the notice came in 1st of August. 1st of August, they brought this notice. Now they came. Today is what? Today is not even up to 15. Today is just 12. They came around. Today is 11. They came around today, broke my brother's net, shotgun in the compound, took him away with a lot of intimidation and beating. Drop that thing. A lot of intimidation. Look at the gun they shot. Not just him, even those people in the compound. I think. Can you see them again? This lady, they broke her door too. And you paid yourself with how much?
5,000 naira.
They took you to where?
Welcome back. As you have watched that short video, this thing happened in Anambra. So in this channel we are trying to bring the fact of what is going on so that to avoid giving people wrong information on what is happening around them. So however, after this video breakout, then the PM Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, took to his Twitter and also said breaking at CC Soludo has imposed security levy on Biafras in Anambra. All the security votes Soludo is collecting from federal government isn't not enough for him. He has to make Anambra people to pay for people who will kill them. So harass and molest them in their home. This is happening under Nigeria. So this is what the response of Simon Ekpa to this video, and he also go ahead and say that a thing like this should not be going on in the territory of Anambra. So guys, I want to leave this video for you to contribute and leave your own opinion on this video. What do you think the people should do, and what do you think the government should as well do in other way for the betterment of the people? Because the government is there to protect the lives and property of the people. So guys, let me leave you to contribute your own in this particular video. So let's chat in a comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of this great channel. Thank you.